Welcome back to Courtroom Conversations, right here on the Classic Courtroom YouTube channel. I'm Dylan Brooks Hamilton.
And we are diving into a case that's about to get really interesting. You guys are not going to want to miss this one. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the legal drama. So today we're talking about former president and current president-elect Donald Trump's upcoming sentencing in that New York hush money case. Now, sentencing is scheduled for Friday, January 10th, which, as many of you know, is just 10 days. 10 days before Trump is set to be back in the White House.
Yeah, it's wild. You know, it's a collision of events that's raising some pretty big legal questions. So let's start with a quick recap. What exactly is Trump being sentenced for?
Yeah, so back in May 2024, Trump was convicted on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. These charges all stem from hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels during the 2016 election. You might remember that his lawyer at the time, Michael Cohen, orchestrated those payments.
Right. And now Trump is appealing to the Supreme Court. He's basically saying this whole case should be thrown out because he has presidential immunity. What are the chances that actually works?
Well, this is where things get really, really tricky.
Yeah.
Presidential immunity usually protects a president from lawsuits related to things they did as part of their official duties. So the question here is whether these hush money payments fall under that umbrella.
Right.
Was this personal conduct or was it somehow related to his presidency? We don't really know yet.
Right.
So far, 2 different judges have said no to Trump's requests to delay the sentencing, which suggests, to me anyway, that they think this case needs to proceed no matter what happens with the election.
So it seems like they're saying this isn't about his actions as president, but wouldn't appealing his conviction while he's president create the exact kind of distraction that presidential immunity is supposed to prevent? His lawyers certainly seem to think so.
Yeah, they do, and it's an argument worth considering. I mean, they're saying that preparing for sentencing and appealing a conviction at the same time that he's transitioning back into the presidency creates an impossible burden. But the counter-argument, of course, would be that this case has been going on for years.
Right.
And that Trump knew this sentencing was coming.
Right. It's definitely uncharted territory. I mean, have we ever had a former president convicted of a crime right before taking office again?
Never. It's unprecedented.
Wow.
There's no legal precedent for this situation. And that's what makes it so fascinating. I mean, if this conviction stands, it could have huge implications for how legal matters are handled during future presidential transitions.
Yeah, that's true. So what does this mean? Could this open the floodgates for a bunch of indictments against presidents as soon as they leave office? Could this shift the balance of power in some way?
It's certainly a possibility. I mean, this case could set a precedent that future presidents will have to grapple with. We really are in uncharted legal territory. And the consequences could be significant. Like, we just don't know.
It's definitely a situation we'll be following closely here at Courtroom Conversations. Any final thoughts for our viewers today?
I think the biggest question this case raises is, how will this impact the presidency going forward? Will future presidents be looking over their shoulders, worried about potential legal ramifications once they leave office? It's something we'll all be watching closely.
Absolutely. Well, Susan Kelly Ashford, thank you so much for breaking all of this down for us.
You got it. Always happy to be here.
And for our viewers, be sure to let us know what you think in the comments. What do you think this all means for future presidents? And remember to like this video and subscribe to Classic Courtroom for more deep dives into these fascinating legal cases. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everybody.
See it.